Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is a short review video of ClickUp AI. So after going through all the details about ClickUp AI on different websites and also the videos on YouTube and other platforms, I have come to some conclusions like if you can do it all for free on ChatGPT, why would someone use ClickUp's AI? You can easily write emails using ChatGPT, then what's the need of ClickUp? Well, in ClickUp, you get it all in an organized way. The prompts that we make on ChatGPT requires a little expertise level in order to get the best outcomes. But on ClickUp, the prompts will be as such that they will be helping you out creating the best outcomes for you. So this will help the complete beginners. Like if you want the tone of your email in a certain way, then ClickUp will upfrontly ask you to set the tone of that particular email, unlike ChatGPT where you have to do it all by yourself. So in this way, ClickUp is better. But if you can do it all by yourself on ChatGPT and you are an expert in writing prompts, then ChatGPT would be a better option for you. Also, you won't be getting the AI compatibility with the free version of ClickUp. So you will have to get at least the minimum of this ClickUp plan. So you don't get the AI compatibility with free plan, but it starts even with the basic plan of ClickUp. And there are some other features as well, but we will keep this video limited to the AI talks. Since we know that this platform is already quite complex, in order to understand it all, adding all the layers of different complexities to it will get the people confused about the workings of this particular platform. So it's better for the developers and the development team of ClickUp to come up with the solutions and make the things easy for the customers or their user base instead of creating it more complex. And that's just an opinion of mine. Other than that, ClickUp's AI is quite user friendly and it can be used even by the absolute beginners. This is absolutely good. You can simply select the AI tools. There are different departments to it, and after that, like if you want to hire someone, you would be able to use the AI in order to generate the kind of description of the person that you are looking for. You can write business related emails. You can do all the other stuff related to your business and your workings using this AI. And it gives you step-by-step procedure at every single step that you do on ClickUp. And this actually makes it quite easy for a complete beginner to use it, as we get the directions at every step. So it saves us from getting clueless at certain points. So the final opinion on ClickUp AI is that if you are able to use ChatGPT and you have been using ChatGPT for a while now, you know how to frame your prompts and get the best results, like you know exactly how to get things done on ChatGPT, then you should be hanging more around with the ChatGPT, as it is almost the same. But the advantages you get with ClickUp is that it is compatible with a lot of different platforms, and you can simply integrate your ClickUp with these platforms, and this way you would be able to utilize the ClickUp AI with these platforms. But ChatGPT is also growing day by day and it is getting compatible with all the other platforms. This way you would be able to integrate ChatGPT also. So if you don't have the budget of ClickUp as of now, then it's better to stick with the free version of ChatGPT and get the things done. You can also find the prompts and how to generate good prompts on ChatGPT on different videos on Google and also on YouTube. So this way you would be sorted. But if you have the budget, then you can simply try it out. And that's it from my side. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.